Hello everybody, we're working on a 2023 Chevy Silverado, beautiful truck. We are programming a new key, so we have one here. Here's the other one. So these are the bucket seats. So if you're wondering where the programming slot is, well, I don't even know how to fold this down, but you lift up the armrest and then lift up the seat, and right there is the slot where you would put the fob in for programming purposes, and also if your fob died, the battery in the fob is dead, and when you try to start the car, the dashboard will say no key detected. You simply lift up the armrest, stick the key in like that with the head first, put your foot on the brakes and start the car. That'll read the chip inside the key manually in case your battery is dead. Once again, this is how we program the vehicle for a 2023 Chevy Silverado. Brand new push to start fobs. Thanks for watching, guys.